What is up, everybody? My name is Jonathan, and today we are in Illustrator again. We are going to do another tutorial. We'll call this one for a logo. Not 100% sure what you would call this, but let's get started. We're going to be working with 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels, one artboard, default, everything else. And for starters, we're going to start with the Polygon Tool and drag that out, hold shift, and we actually do not want this to have a stroke. Drag that over, drag that down a little bit, click, hold alt, drag that up, D, Control D, Control D, Control D, drag that down. This needs to be made smaller. And hold alt, click and drag. Probably somewhere's around there. Control D, Control D, Control D. If you hold alt and use your scroll wheel on your mouse, you can zoom in and out. Drag that back down into the center here. Make this smaller. Hold alt, click and drag. That looks about right. Control D. Whoops. Grabbed the whole window. Click and drag, select all those. Hold alt, drag that over. If you don't have these pink lines, those are smart guides. So make sure you have smart guides selected, or otherwise you will not see the guides that I see. Man, I don't know why I keep clicking on that. And we are going to select all of those ones with the direct selection tool. Delete, click and drag on this side down here, delete. So now we have this nice looking square. And we are going to drag this into our symbols. Sure. Texture. Why not? I can spell. That was terrible. And we can delete this now. Now go back to your ellipse tool. Hold shift, click and drag. Hit C, brings up your scissors. Click on this anchor, click on this anchor. Selection tool, select the left side. Hit delete. Go to effect, 3D, revolve. Oh, whoops, gotta make sure you select the other side. I thought I did that, weird. And now revolve. This makes a sphere, sphere, sphere. And something like that. Go to map art, click on this drop down, go to the texture you have selected. You can make that a little bigger. Click and drag that up. Invisible geometry so you can't see the other thing going on here. And a little smaller. Drag that out a little bit. Drag this over a little bit. Perfect. I mean, I don't know that it's perfect, but pretty much perfect for the day. Click OK. Click on this. Now we're going to go up here and click expand appearance. Select all these again. Ungroup. Click ungroup until it's not grouped anymore. So now you should be able to select individual spheres, shapes. Like if there's any down here that look weird, like this one kind of looks weird. I think we're going to get rid of these ones on the edge here. So on left these little remnants. You can zoom way in and click on that guy and delete. Are you serious? Delete these. That way they don't show up later. Direct selection tool. Why? There. And I think this probably looks funny, so we're gonna delete that too. Oh my gosh. Oops. That's funny. We gotta stick with this one. Delete. Click delete. Perfect. Zoom out. I don't know. I don't think that looks too weird. I think this just looks cluttered. I don't know. Let me know if you think that these two should go or stay in the comments below. And this could be where you stop if you really wanted to. This certainly could be something you're like, all right, this is it. This is what I wanted. It's not where I'm stopping, so there's that. And we're going to go to here, bring up our color themes. Let's see. Let's do one. Is there one that's got blue and gray in it? Blue and gray. That's what we're kind of looking for. No, I don't. Oh, these are most popular of all times. Most popular of all times. I just have a hard time believing this is the most popular color theme of all time. But whatever. Oh, this one looks nice. I like this one. Let's go with this. So we're going to add these to our swatches, and now they will show up over here for you to use. And so now I'm going to do what I had in mind. Let's see. Probably right there. Hold shift and click on these swatches, or these swatches. These are swatches now. Click on all these shapes. Keep clicking on all the shapes. All of them. Every last one. We're going to Control C, and then we're going to paste in the back and delete the top. So now we're going to go to layers, new layer. Let's drag that up onto this new shape. And then we should be able to drag this over out of the way. And missed one, apparently. Nobody cares. Delete all of these shapes. And at the end of the day, I don't really think it's going to need to be super perfect for the idea that I had. Just gotta be close. And zoom out. Select these guys. And we're going to group these together, probably just to make it a little easier, make sure we don't do anything weird. And we're going to rotate this a skosh. Drag that up here. Yes. And same thing with this side. Weird. Strange. Whatever. And drag that around. So I think I need to delete this one. Because that one's that one. Pretty sure. Looks funny. Alright, now it looks a little better. I think I actually deleted too many. I think I deleted this one. Whatever. Think anybody will notice? Probably not. We can drag that up here. Really annoying that I keep hitting. Okay. Put these in a group. I'm just all over the place today. Move this down. That should be good. It's actually probably too far apart. I know I did all that just to put them closer together. Can I ungroup this? Nope, definitely is ungrouped as far as it will ungroup. Hello, man, let me... Alright. Now we are going to select this. Click on this here. Gradient. Oh, that's why I'm on the stroke. It all makes sense now. Super confused. Okay. But we want this color to be that one. Ooh, I like that. That's nice. And then we want this guy to have the same thing, but the other way. Why not? And then we're going to create another layer, drag it down to the bottom, go to our tools, click and drag, put that on the bottom. We're going to make this an orange color because that's super intense. We're going to do a gradient though. We're going to make this side orange and this side. Why did it do that? There we go. Nope. Yeah. Go back over here to our gradient tool. Let's do this. Swap those around. And now to finish it off, let's do this. No. Let's go to our text tool. Is T text tool in this? Yeah. T is our text tool. For this fill, we're going to use this here color. Your logo. But we're going to select all of these, go to properties, click, drag, make bigger, whoops, undo that. Let's go here. Weird. Click and drag. Fill. This one? Nope, don't like that at all. I actually like the darker color. Black is too black. Looks nice. There. Well, just an idea that I had. I don't know. Way too late at night. It is 12:32 a.m. actually. So this is what I had come up with in my mind, kind of, sort of. This will work. Hope this helps you. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, smash it if that's what you're into. Just make sure it's blue before you go. If you want to see future videos that I make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I publish a video. There's a playlist on my channel for Photoshop and Illustrator and other things. Feel free to check those things out. Shoot me a comment. Let me know what you're thinking about this video, future ideas. Let me know. Stay safe. God bless. And we will see you in the next one.